about bottlenose dolphins. Come, let's go see it. Tell you about bottlenose dolphins. I wrote a list to tell them about them. Here, I'm going to show you. The ID checklist is subdued gray coloring, dark dorsal cape, prominent phalanx fin, robust head and body, distinct beak with melon crease, rounded forehead, usually in small groups, often boat ride, can be highly active. Bye!
You can see them.
I have the yellow banded millipede. Let's go find one. I have the yellow banded millipede, and you can see how there is little yellow bands and red curl-up feet on the bottom. And they do not bite, but if you hold them for too long, they leave orange-stained poison on you. If you wash it with soap and water, it comes right off. Won't do any harm. And they're not an insect, and they're part of the myriapod family. And the myriapods have more legs than any other type of animal. And they can curl up in little, they look like cinnamon rolls if they roll up a bunch. This one's just rolled up a little. And that's what I have to say about millipedes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.